Imagine waking up to the news that Earth has officially crossed a line we were warned about for decades. The climate tipping point. Scientists have debated for years. Is there a specific threshold where changes become irreversible? Are we standing at the edge of that cliff right now? Or did we quietly step over it already? In this video, we're going to explore whether Earth has reached a climate tipping point and what that really means for us, for ecosystems, and for future generations. What is a climate tipping point? A tipping point is a threshold beyond which small changes can trigger dramatic and irreversible shifts. Think of melting glaciers, disappearing forests, or warming oceans. Once pushed past a certain limit, these systems may collapse or transform permanently. Some of the most concerning tipping points include the collapse of the Greenland or West Antarctic ice sheets, the thawing of permafrost, releasing massive amounts of methane coral reef die-offs due to warming and acidifying oceans, disruption of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, the very system that helps regulate Earth's climate. These aren't just theories. Some of these changes are already happening, faster than predicted. The 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold. Back in 2015, world leaders signed the Paris Agreement to try to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. That number wasn't picked at random. Scientists believe that beyond 1.5 degrees Celsius, the risks of triggering tipping points increase significantly. As of now, global temperatures have already risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius, and 2023 was the hottest year on record. If emissions continue at current rates, we could hit, or even overshoot, the 1.5 degrees Celsius limit within the next few years. So the big question is, have we already passed the point of no return? Are climate tipping points already happening? The Amazon rainforest, once a carbon sink, is now emitting more CO2 than it absorbs in some regions. Arctic sea ice is declining rapidly, reducing Earth's ability to reflect sunlight and accelerating warming. Permafrost is thawing, releasing methane, a greenhouse gas 80 times more potent than carbon dioxide in the short term. These are all signs of systems under stress, potentially teetering at the edge of collapse. Adaptation versus mitigation. So what can we do? Mitigation means cutting emissions fast through renewable energy, carbon pricing, and sustainable practices. Adaptation means preparing for impacts we can't avoid, like building resilient infrastructure, improving disaster response, and protecting vulnerable communities. Both are essential, but the window to avoid catastrophic change is closing, and the longer we wait, the harder adaptation becomes. Where do we go from here? Here's the truth. We're not helpless. Every ton of CO2 we don't emit makes a difference. Every tree we plant, every policy we support, and every innovation we deploy buys us time. And every conversation we start, like this one, helps raise awareness and demand action. So, has Earth reached the climate tipping point? Maybe not everywhere. Not yet, but the clock is ticking, and we are dangerously close. Let's not find out the hard way. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to help support climate awareness, and drop a comment. Do you think we've passed the tipping point, or is there still time to act?